morning, how are you?
Fine, thank you.
Welcome, eh?
Yeah. Please, is your friend around?
Yeah, he went outside, but he'll soon be back. Yeah, you can sit down and wait for him. Yeah.
Okay. Are you sure that he will soon be back?
Yeah, he just went to drop his girlfriend. He will come back.
Oh, and I want to collect something for him.
Yeah, just a minute, he will come back.
Oh boy. See the way this girl make sense, I swear. I like her. I know what I would do.
Hello, Dad. You want to buy another Lexus? Why, Dad? Yeah, but we just bought Lexus last week now. Yeah, I know. Okay, Dad.
Excuse me, bro. But
Okay.
your APC is not connected to your phone.
Yeah!